Dr. Zakir, could you furthermore explain then what are the particular conditions that make zakah or zakat an obligation upon the Muslim?
Zakat is compulsory on every Muslim, irrespective whether it's a man or a woman, whether adult or minor, whether sane or insane, as long as he's a free citizen. And he has surplus wealth or savings which has reached the nisab level or above it, and he has that wealth or surplus amount or saving for one complete hijri year or lunar year. Then zakat becomes compulsory on that particular Muslim, and most of the time, most of the cases, it is 2.5%. So basically, there are few conditions required. Number one, that person should be a Muslim, irrespective of whether male, female, young, old, sane, insane, it doesn't matter, a Muslim. Number two, he should be a free citizen. Number three, he should be a sahib-e-nisab. That means he should be the sole owner of that surplus wealth. Above the basic requirement, whatever savings he has got, whatever surplus he has got, he should be the sole owner of it. It should not belong to somebody else. And it should be with him for one complete lunar year or hijri year, as it's mentioned in the hadith of Tirmidhi, hadith number 631. The beloved Prophet ﷺ said that zakat is payable on the property, but natural, which is surplus on the wealth, which a person possesses and has with him for 1 year. And the last criteria is that zakat should be paid from lawful earnings. It should be from halal earnings. As the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in Sunan Nisai, hadith number 2525, where the beloved Prophet said that prayer without cleanliness is not accepted. Same, zakat without lawful earnings is not accepted. So zakat that you give should be from lawful earnings. That is a requirement. And if it's a minor or if it's an insane person, the person who's the guardian of the wealth of that insane person or the minor person, he should pay zakat on behalf of that insane or minor person from his wealth.